Now let's talk about a very interesting topic, which is our lesson number 5. And in lesson number 5, we'll be talking about using technology to promote safety. It's a very important topic. For example, using mobile technologies. So in very many older adults now they do have a cell phone, so we can use them, such as, for example, GPS systems or phones, so that they can navigate to return to home or to go to somewhere. Setting bathroom space by making sure the equipment, staff, and patient can fit in space. Retractable bars attached to wall for client transfer, assisted by 1 to 2 caregivers, and also wheelchair rotation, 5-inch diameter, and also toilet weight tolerance, which needs to be 600 pounds. So the toilet can fit the weight of the. Okay, as you can see in the picture, it's very challenging to move and transfer a patient. So we need to use certain equipments. For example, on your right, you can see how the patient is handling, or manual handling, using the manual handling so he can move, and also transferring or positioning the patient using patient hand. Remote patient monitoring is one of the very important ways that we can use, such as because it supports self-management or self-care. It can also enhance early diagnosis. It can reduce our ED and hospital services because you can monitor blood pressure and heart rate from a remote place. So these are examples of in-home data collection. These are smart modems. So a patient is in the hospital, but then in the home, but we can monitor their own. Okay, medication optimization is another major. So by using also reminders and by using medication dispensing adherence or monitoring machines. So for example, we have a very interesting statistics here. 90% of older adults using 1 or more prescription medications per week. So this polypharmacy can be really challenging. So by using these medication optimization machines, it will be very, adherence would be. Cognitive fitness or assessment training tools. These are like DACM or like Posit Science. You can visit this website. Nintendo DS Brain Age, because it can increase the cognitive fitness, and in addition it can help with the assessment of the older adult. Okay, another thing, or the very important thing, is they are unable to grip or to hold on the doorknobs. So there is a certain helper or a doorknob helper that can reduce fractures, from trying to opening the doors.